I am Jason. If you're creating short videos but you're still manually uploading the same video to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or other platforms, you're probably wasting a lot of time every week. You record video, then you have to download it, remove the watermark, upload it somewhere else, write the caption again, and change the format and post it again. That's a lot of work. And if you're trying to stay consistent on multiple platforms, that process can quickly become frustrating. That is the problem Repurpose.io is designed to solve. Instead of manually posting the same content everywhere, you can create automations that take your content from one platform and automatically publish it to another platform for you. So in this Repurpose.io automation tutorial for beginners, I'm going to be showing you step by step how the platform works, how to connect your social media accounts, how to create your first automation workflow, and how to think about a simple content distribution system. The goal is simple. By the end of this tutorial, you should understand how to set up a workflow where you post content in one place and Repurpose.io helps send it to other platforms automatically. And if you want to follow along, I'll leave the link in the description and pin comment you can use to sign up for completely free. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link, so if you were to sign up, it would help to support the channel at no additional cost to you. Now, let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link, you'll be redirected to Repurpose.io homepage. From there, you can tap on Start Automation for free, and you'll be able to publish up to 10 videos for free. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now, when it comes on to Repurpose.io, the first thing to understand is Repurpose.io works with workflows. A workflow is basically an automation rule. You choose where the content is coming from, then you choose where you want the content to go. For example, I have set up an automation where whenever I upload onto TikTok, it automatically posts on YouTube also. To create an automation, you'll first need to add your connections. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select connections. After selecting connections, you're going to tap on add new connection. From here, you can see numerous platforms that you can add. You have TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Threads, X, Snapchat, Amazon, Twitch, Zoom, numerous platforms that you can quickly integrate. So for example, you can create a workflow like TikTok to YouTube Shorts like me, Instagram Reels to TikTok, YouTube Shorts to Facebook Reels, or TikTok to Instagram Reels, or podcast to YouTube, or Facebook Live to YouTube. Or you could even use Google Drive or Dropbox as part of your content system. So before we click around, I want you to think about your content workflow and ask yourself one question. Where do I normally post first? And where do I want that content to go after that? For most beginners, I would not try to automate everything on day one. I recommend that you start with one simple workflow. So let's say, for example, you normally post on Instagram first. All you need to do is simply select Instagram. After you have selected Instagram, you'll be able to connect your Instagram account by signing in. Then from there, you can choose where you would like the destination to be. So let's say, for example, you want to upload onto YouTube. You could simply select YouTube and from there you can sign in. So whenever you post an Instagram reel, it will automatically be uploaded as a YouTube Shorts. You can create different workflows. For example, you could also create a workflow that once you upload on Instagram, it goes to Facebook Reels if you want, or it could go to Pinterest. You have numerous options when it comes on to Respond.io. Once you have connected your social media platforms, you're going to see them right here. So I have Instagram connected, TikTok connected, and YouTube connected. So for example, if I were to go onto my TikTok page, you can see right here that I have two videos that I've uploaded. Once I've uploaded the video, it automatically goes onto my YouTube Shorts, as you can see right here. And I could also set it up so that it automatically goes onto Instagram if I want. So let me show you how to create your first workflow. You're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Create Workflow. After you have selected Create Workflow, you're going to see different sources depending on which social media platform you have connected. So let's say you have connected your Instagram account. you can simply select Instagram, and then you're going to see destination. And another thing that I want to quickly explain to you when it comes onto repurpose.io, if I were to go back into the connections right here, you can see that a few of the platforms have sources below them, and some of them have source/destination. The destination is basically where you would like your content to end up. So that is the final spot that you like it to end up. And the source is where you post first. So for example, if you upload on TikTok, you can choose any one of these destinations to upload it. And there are a few platforms that you can use as both source and destination. For example, Snapchat is an option that you can use as both a source and destination. And you can also use Facebook. So you can choose whichever one of these platforms. And as I said earlier, you could also upload, for example, a file on Google Drive. And then from there, you can post it on numerous platforms. So once you have chosen what destination you want, you're just going to go back into Create Workflow. We can tap right there, then we'll tap on Get Started. Now, after you have selected Get Started, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to further edit your workflow. So for example, you can see it right here, and I'm just going to tap on skip for now. After you have done that, you can see it at the top right here. What I want you to do is you're going to tap on view workflow. After you have selected view workflow, from here you're going to see your content, and you can simply refresh it by tapping on check now, and you will see any content that you have uploaded onto Instagram. It is going to pop up right here. Next, you're going to tap where you see settings in the top right hand corner. After you have selected settings, there are a few things that you can customize. For example, if you would like to skip videos containing a particular hashtag or keyword, you can do that. Or only publish videos containing a particular hashtag or keyword, you can also choose that. Then you can select the destination when reposting to YouTube. You can choose to remove Instagram hashtags, better yet, when reposting to YouTube. You can also choose to add custom text to post, and you can choose whether you like to automatically publish a custom comment for each video. And with Repurpose.io, you could toggle on their AI generation content and use AI to auto-generate posts and captions and hashtags for you. Also, if we were to tap on content, if you would like to upload an intro for your video, you can do that. And you can also upload an outro, as you can see right here. And you can also select the clippings length, for example, 3 minutes or 60 seconds. And you can toggle on auto trim videos to appear as YouTube shorts. Next, if we were to tap on advanced, this is where you'll be able to put in your tags, choose the default language. Scrolling down, you can select the privacy and you'll set it at public. Then you can choose the category that you want your videos to be posted in. Then you can also toggle on upload thumbnail to YouTube, or you can leave it off. And you can choose to upload subtitle file to YouTube, or you can leave it off. Then you're just going to tap on publish. Now, when you select publish, there are a few options that you are provided with. First, you have repurpose content as soon as it is published. So that is why you're not seeing any content when I was refreshing it, because I would need to first upload a piece of content onto Instagram. Then it would load up right here. But you also have the option, if you were to tap right here, repurpose content based on a schedule. If we were to tap right there, you can see that we have more options here. So by simply tapping on content filler, you can choose whether you like to post future content only, or you like to use future and existing content. So that means that any content that you have in the past, you can now repurpose them onto YouTube or whichever platform. And you can see which posts to include. You can choose to select all posts, or you can select posts from a specific date. So you can select posts after a specific date. So let's say, for example, we all start off with social media a bit rough. So let's say you don't want your first set of posts to be repurposed. You can simply tap right here on the date, and from there you can choose the date that you would like to start repurposing content from. And you can also change the year. So let's say you started your Instagram in 2024, for example, say, and you want to start posting content from, let's say, July 2024. You can choose a particular date, And then from there, Repurpose.io is going to simply drag all of the content from that date going forward. And you can see publish order, newest first, or you can choose oldest first. Then you can also choose how many posts you would like to upload per day, and you have up to 5. Then you can scroll down and you can select your schedule. Once everything is in order, you're just going to tap on save. Now that everything has been saved, all you need to do now, you're just going to give it a few seconds while it goes out and fetch your content. Once it has fetched your content, you're going to see it right here. And then from there, based on the timing that you have set, it is going to start the workflow. And it's as easy as that to create your workflow. And that's how Repurpose.io basically works. You can create numerous workflows once you go onto the paid plan. And talking about the paid plan, if we were to check out the pricing of Repurpose.io, let me select it right here. While you can get started for completely free, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $35 per month. So that's basically $1.17 per day. And with that, you'll be able to connect 3 accounts for each social network. So if you have 3 different Instagrams, 3 different TikTok, for example, 3 different YouTube, 3 different Facebook, 3 different LinkedIn, you'll be able to connect all of those platforms. And you'll be able to publish up to 5,000 videos per month. Also, with the Pro option, you'll be able to connect 10 accounts for each social network, and you'll be able to publish unlimited videos. And for agency, you'll be able to connect up to 25 accounts for each social network and publish unlimited videos for $179 per month. So you're given numerous options. For the average person, I would recommend that you go with the starter plan. The starter plan for $35 would give you the option to upload on all of your different social media platforms. And if you want to save, you can get 2 months free by simply going on to the annual plan, and it will cost less than $1 to get started. And again, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching.